Samsung introduced the AI-focused Galaxy S24 series yesterday, and there is a lot of presentation taken up by the camera features. Many of these features are now directly available to social media apps. This means you will not have to use the Samsung camera app to snap a photo and then switch over to Instagram and dig it out of the gallery. You can see it using the Instagram camera. This works with WhatsApp, TikTok, and Snapchat, and Samsung has worked with them to enable the advanced image processing of the S24 series. This continuous work that started with the S22 series when computational photography was enabled in social media app. The new Super HDR brings additional details in the highlights and shadows, and thanks to fast new chipset, offer accurate previews before you even press the shutter key. The S24 series is the first to have an HDR enabled photos on Instagram. Nightography and improved electronic image stabilization will also be available to third-party apps. For Instagram specifically, you will be able to create stories from your motion photos. However, some specific AI-powered tools will remain available only through the native camera apps such as Generative Edit, Insta Slow Motion, and Edit Suggestion. It is very interesting take, but really it's about time. Apps on Android should actually use the native camera app module more than the built-in module so that they can challenge iPhone's dominance.